Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow.
Today's lesson is very practical.
Yes, we're going to learn how to order food politely in English.
Perfect for restaurants, cafes, and when you travel abroad.
Exactly. Polite English makes a great first impression.
Let's get started.
Paul, what's the best way to start when I want to order?
First, always get the server's attention politely.
Like saying, excuse me?
Exactly. You can say, excuse me, or hi.
And then?
Then try, can I have, or I'd like.
For example,
I'd like a coffee, please.
that sounds very polite.
Yes, adding please makes it sound friendly and natural.
What if I have a question about the menu?
Good question. You can ask, what do you recommend?
Oh, like lesson 7.
Exactly. Or you can ask, does this come with rice?
And if I want to change something?
You can say, can I get this without onions, please?
That's very useful.
Yes. Polite and clear English always helps.
How do I finish my order politely?
You can say, that's all, thank you.
Or, that's everything.
Perfect. And when the food arrives, say thank you.
Simple but important.
Exactly.
So today we learned how to order food, ask questions, and be polite.
Practice these phrases and you'll feel confident anywhere.
Thanks for listening to English Flow with Paul and Nick.
Don't forget to subscribe and like for more easy English lessons.
Keep your English flowing. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.